From Actionable Ops, here's how to give Hermes a real browser, so it can navigate sites, fill forms, click buttons, and pull data with browser automation. The idea is simple. Hermes uses a real browser, sees the page as an accessibility tree of text plus reference IDs, like at E1 at E2. Then it clicks, types, scrolls, and screenshots like a person would. No fragile selectors, no flaky scraping, just a real browser under agent control. There are 6 backends. Pick by where you want the browser to run. Browserbase, Browser Use, and Firecrawl are cloud browsers. Camofox is a local anti-detection browser. Local Chromium connects to your own Chrome via CDP, or the Agent-Browser CLI gives you a clean local Chromium. The simplest path. On a Nous Portal subscription, the tool gateway runs browser automation server-side through Browser Use, no API keys at all. Pick Nous subscription as the browser provider in Hermes Model or Hermes Tools, and you are done. If you would rather use your own browser, Hermes Browser Connect attaches the browser tools to your running Chrome, Brave, Chromium, or Edge over the CDP protocol. The agent shares your existing session, your cookies, your logged-in sites. Useful when a workflow needs to act as you. For cloud only, drop one API key in .env. Browserbase API key plus Browserbase project ID for the most popular cloud option. Browser Use API key or Firecrawl API key are alternates. If you set more than one, Browserbase wins. Here is a detail that matters if you develop locally. When a cloud provider is set, Hermes auto-spawns a local Chromium sidecar for localhost and LAN addresses, so you can screenshot your dev server and scrape a public site in the same conversation. The cloud provider never sees your private network. It is on by default. 2 things that bake in safety. Each task gets its own isolated browser session, and inactive sessions are auto-closed on a timeout, so a misbehaving page does not leak into the next one. Pair browser automation with Vision. The browser captures a screenshot. The Vision tool reads it. The agent can describe what is on the page, even when the accessibility tree leaves something out, like a chart or a screenshot-only error. That's Hermes Browser Automation, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.